A new zombie movie?
Are you kidding me?
Maybe, or it could be a virus outbreak movie.
We created a new species.
Here's Cold Story, the new cyber horror comedy movie starring Joey Carey, Liam Neeson, and George Campbell. Let's watch the trailer.
That's unclear.
Oh my God. What is it?
I don't know. But it's big.
This place was military storage back in the day.
Can I go down and see it?
No?
I don't feel so good.
Jesus Christ!
We have a real problem here. There's like a virus or a fungus.
No shit.
That's not natural. That fucking deer just took the fucking elevator.
Cold Storage is a cyber horror comedy film that blends suspense, dark humor, and science fiction. The trailer immediately raises in question is a zombie movie, a virus outbreak story, or something even more dangerous. This sense of mystery is of the trailer's stronger points, keeping viewers serious from the start to finish. The settings plays a major role in the mood of the film. The cold storage facility is portrayed as a confined and isolated space, creating an atmosphere of tension and fear. Through dim lighting, fast-paced cuts, and setting background music, the trailer suggests that something deadly has been hidden for far too long. The danger feels both physical and adding depth to the story. Joey Carey characters appear to bring nervous energy and humor to the film, balancing the intense situation with moment. In contrast, Liam Neeson presents adds authority and seriousness, hinting at character with experience. Georgina Campbell performance based on the trailer show emotional intensity, making her character feel grounded. This looks exciting, and I hope it gets released in the Philippines.